Electric milk frother handheld rechargeable 3-speed adjustable mini coffee frother whisk for latte, cappuccino, coffee, hot chocolate, double whisk for foam making cream, frappe, matcha. Perfect creamy froth in seconds. Our milk frother with the double whisk will give you the perfect creamy milk froth for your coffee every time, every morning. In 10 seconds it can create the foamy, creamy milk froth for your latte, cappuccino, macchiato or hot chocolate. You don't need to go outside to get the professional touch of coffee. Simple to use, rechargeable battery operated. Simply slide the milk frother into the milk container, 30% filled. Slightly press the power button on the side, then it will blend and create the foamy milk for coffee. This milk frother contains rechargeable battery. Very convenient home or travel use. You don't need to worry about constant finding battery to change. The rechargeable battery allow long life power operation. It can be recharged by any standard USB cable included. 3-speed with dual whisks, ideal for Latte 4th and foam. Our milk frother has 3 adjustable speed. Simply press the button of coffee frother, then it will change from 6700, 8500 to 13,000 RPM. This will satisfy your different daily need: foamy milk, matcha tea, protein powder drink, even eggnog. Easy to clean and beautifully styled. Our powerful electric milk frother handheld mixer is beautifully designed with easy-to-grip handle. Non-slip material is adopted for the handle surface so that it will not slip during operation. Power button is located on the side for much easier to operation. To clean the milk frother, simply put the whisk in hot warm water or running water, briefly turn it on, then it is clean immediately. Quality you can trust. We keep our product quality at the high standard. We use high-quality premium material for the milk frother and premium food-grade stainless. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.